Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change username in Among Us. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open My Account option. Then go to Account option. Here you can see the Randomize Name option. Click on it. And you can see that the username has been changed. You'll have to keep in mind that username can be changed frequently. You'll just have to click on the Randomize Name option. And that is how you can change username in Among Us. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.